To change your voice on Snapchat video, go to your Snapchat app. Before recording the video, we have to select effect. To do that, tap this effect icon, then tap this search effect icon and search for voice changer. As a search results, here you will find lots of voice effects like baby voice, cute, children, alien voice, deep voice, face changer, funny voice. So just go ahead and select any voice. We can see the voice changer successfully added. Now you can just go ahead and capture your video. So you can see my video is capturing. Just go ahead and capture your video. So you can see my video is capturing. As you can see, the final result. So that's how you can actually change our voice on Snapchat video. Thanks for watching.